DJI just dropped two absolute beasts in December 2025. The FlyCart 100 and the Agras T100. Both can carry 100 kilograms. That's 220 pounds, the weight of a full-grown person. But before you get excited, let me tell you why most people watching this should not buy them. First, the FlyCart 100. What is it? It's an industrial cargo drone built to replace ground crews in dangerous places. Think mountain rescue, logging camps, or offshore oil rigs. Why does it exist? Because helicopters are expensive and people can't always climb mountains safely. How does it work? It lifts 100 kilograms using 8 massive propellers and drops cargo using a 30-meter winch cable. But here's the catch. To carry that full 100 kilograms, you have to remove one of its 2 batteries. If that single battery dies mid-flight, this 170-kilogram machine falls from the sky like a brick. The safe maximum is actually 85 kilograms with 2 batteries. And the flight time? Only 10 to 12 minutes when fully loaded. It costs around $12,500. And if you're in the United States, you probably can't even buy it legally due to regulatory bans. This isn't for delivering packages, it's for moving heavy equipment across rivers and mountains. Now, the Agras T100. What is it? It's a farming drone on steroids. Why does it exist? To spray pesticides and spread fertilizer faster than tractors. How does it work? It carries 100 liters of liquid or 150 liters of solid fertilizer and dumps it at terrifying speeds. 400 kilograms per minute for spreading, 40 liters per minute for spraying. But here's the problem. It empties its tank in about 3 minutes. Then you're back on the ground refilling. It weighs 175 kilograms, heavier than most motorcycles, and needs a trailer, a massive generator, and a full crew just to operate. You can't charge it from a regular outlet. And like the FlyCart, it faces major restrictions in the United States. Bottom line, these drones are tools for industrial operations covering thousands of acres or moving cargo across impossible terrain. They cost $30,000 to $40,000 when you include batteries and generators. If you're not running a commercial operation outside the US with serious infrastructure, these machines will sit in your garage collecting dust. They're impressive, but they're not for you.